Learn English in 14 days. Day 1. Start with simple words. English is easy to learn. Learn 10 simple words. Write each word on paper. Say each word 5 times. Here are 10 words to learn. 1 apple. 2 ball. 3 cat. 4 dog. 5 egg. 6 fish. 7 go. 8 hat. 9 ice. 10 jump. Use these words in sentences. 1. I like an apple. 2. The ball is red. 3. The cat is small. 4. The dog runs fast. 5. I'll eat an egg. 6. The fish swims. 7. I go to school. 8. The hat is blue. 9. Ice is cold. 10. I jump high. Day 2. Learn more words. Learn 10 more words today. 1 kite. 2 lion. 3 milk. 4 nest. 5 orange. 6 pig. 7 queen. 8 rain. 9 sun. 10 tree. Use these new words in sentences. 1. The kite is flying. 2. The lion is strong. 3. I drink milk. 4. The nest is in a tree. 5. The orange is sweet. 6. The pig is pink. 7. The queen is kind. 8. I like the rain. 9. The sun is bright. 10. The tree is tall. Day 3. Practice sentences. Now you know 20 words. Let's make more sentences. 1. I see a cat and a dog. 2. The ball is under the tree. 3. The sun is hot today. 4. The pig is eating an orange. 5. I fly a kite in the rain. Write your own sentences. Say your sentences aloud. Speak slowly and clearly. Day 4. Listen and repeat. Listen to simple English songs. Here is an example. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. I wonder what you are? Sing this song 5 times. Listen to the words carefully. Day 5. Read easy stories. Find a simple story. Here is an example. The red ball. Tom has a red ball. The ball is small. Tom throws the ball. The ball goes far. Tom runs to get the ball. He is happy. Read the story 3 times. Write the story. Say the story aloud. Day 6. Learn action words. Action words are verbs. Here are 10 verbs to learn. 1 run. 2 walk. 3 jump. 4 sit. 5 stand. 6 eat. 7 drink. 8 sleep. 9 talk. 10 play. Use these verbs in sentences. 1. I run to school. 2. I walk in the park. 3. I jump on the bed. 4. I sit on the chair. 5. I stand in the room. 6. I eat an apple. 7. I drink milk. 8. I sleep at night. 9. I talk to my friend. 10. I play with my dog. Day 7. Review and practice. Review all the words you learned. Write them on paper. Say them aloud. Make new sentences. Day 8. Speak simple conversations. Practice speaking with a friend. Here is an example. Conversation 1. Hey, hello. B. E. What is your name? B. My name is Anna. Hey, nice to meet you, Anna. B. Nice to meet you too. Conversation 2. A. How are you? B. I am fine, thank you. A. What do you like? B. I like apples. A. I like apples too. Practice these conversations every day. Day 9. Learn numbers. Learn numbers from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Write the numbers. Say the numbers. Use numbers in sentences. 1. I have 2 cats. 2. There are 5 apples. 3. She has 10 books. 4. He sees 3 dogs. 5. We have 7 chairs. Day 10. Read and write. Write about your day. Today is a good day. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I play with my friends. I study English. I eat lunch. I come home. I do my homework. I sleep at 9 o'clock. Read what you write. Say it aloud. Day 11. Practice listening. Listen to English videos. Choose easy videos. Listen for 5 minutes. Repeat the words you hear. Write 3 new words. Day 12. Practice speaking. Stand in front of a mirror. Speak simple sentences. 1. My name is John. 2. I like English. 3. I am learning every day. Speak louder each time. Try to smile while speaking. Day 13. Combine skills. Write a story with the words you know. Lisa has a small dog. The dog's name is Max. Max likes to play. Lisa throws a ball. Max runs to get the ball. They are happy. Read the story. Say it aloud. Share it with a friend. Day 14. Celebrate your progress. Congratulations. You worked hard for 2 weeks. Now you know many words. You can make sentences. You can listen, read, and speak. Keep practicing every day. You will get better and better.